This thing is it's a bit beyond repair here, so we have to get rid of it.
That didn't work. It's a little more sturdy than I thought.
Stainless steel, Matt.
Doesn't mean shit.
So nice.
You sure about that? I just broke it with one pull. Oh my bad.
I think you need a bigger.
I need what?
And you need a bigger implement.
You sure?
Yeah. It's like weird. It's like you're trying to be extra silent. Extra silent.
Eat. I'm trying to be kind of quiet.
It's extra hilarious.
Okay, he's leaving. We're good.
It's extra hilarious. He's trying to be extra silent there.
There we go. I got it.
Yeah.
Got the door off. There's a spring on that, so be careful. It might go flying.
Yeah.
There's a spring. It's all the way through it.
Yeah. Man, that's holding on.
God dang it.
Hey, just pull it out, wet by the door,
Easier said than done.
and just throw it down the hill.
There's a spring. Damn thing. Let's go. For God's sake.
Throw the whole thing down the hill. That's when you break out the tin snips.
If don't cut worth shit. Took care of that problem.
Just pick it up by the cord and throw it down the hill.
You're picking every bit of it up.
I don't think it's gonna really shatter. Do some cleaning out the pan.
Let me clean this out first. Here's some of that.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Here we go.
Don't throw it. Pretty durable.
Yeah. Need a sledgehammer. Is it gonna hold up?
No.
Oh. Well. Now it's the other.
Kind of on an uneven surface.
Yeah.
Shoulder. There you go.
Now let's plug the heating elements in.
No, I think she's done. I think she's done, Sean.
Yeah.
That one? Wait.
Oh, it's on.
Oh, that one.
It's on.
Toast. Timer. Yeah, it's just to stay on. Why is it still clicking? Oh, it's still heating up. It's just spinning now. Look.
We gotta put on convection bake.
It's not doing nothing.
That is doing.
Oh God.
Here, if you can find the other knob, put it on that. Put it on that.
It's all the way up.
Yeah, put it on that
I don't
now.
have the right one. This one doesn't fit in there.
Oh, it's expanded. Look at the heating element.
Just
leave it.
Ain't good. I broke the front one.
I think that heating element
Might pop.
could.
What happens when it pops? Art.
Just right in there. I think the thermostat cut it out for now. But the thermostat keeps.
It's on fire. It's on fire.
I know.
Sean. And we don't have a cover in the front. God. Thanks. I hate you so much. You all shit for me. Didn't even put it out. Oh God. It's coming out. It's coming out.
Oh. Here, you can get it better now. There you go. Little ding. Does the bell work?
No.
Ding.
Which way does it go? Oh, it goes that way.
There it is.
I think she's done. It's still on.
Ooh.